Let me show you how you can get real active followers on Facebook. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and strategies with you that you can use to get active, real, legit followers. Why am I emphasizing on active and real? Because there are a lot of tutorials out there that will show you how to get 100k followers in 2 minutes, 10k followers in 1 hour. Those things will give you bots. They will give you fake generated AI followers that will not be able to interact with your content. Why is it important for you to get real followers? Because you're looking for human beings that would like what you post, that would engage with your content, that would buy what you're selling, that will click on a link and come to your WhatsApp or your website, right? You don't just want followers that, okay, you have 100k followers on your page, and then when you post something engaging, something that took you hours to create, just see 3 reactions. It's obviously fake, and that is what you're going to get if you keep following all these tutorials that promise you unrealistic expectations. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get real, legit, and active followers, people that will engage with your content, people that will buy from you. Very, very important. So let's dive in if you're ready. Sometime last year, I recorded a video and posted about 3 things you need to do if you want to get more Facebook page followers. You can check for it up here. I'm going to put the link in the description. But that was so last year-ish, and between then and now, new tools have been introduced, new strategies, and a lot of things that you need to improve on if you want to scale on Facebook, which is why I would not recommend that you keep using last year's strategies for this year. So let's get straight into it. Let me share some new mind-blowing, powerful things you need to do if you want to get more Facebook page followers. The first thing you need to do is to have an effective, clear cut-out content marketing strategy. Yes, content marketing is simply the steps you need to take to make sure that your content gives you the results that you want. So first of all, you need to define the results you want to achieve with your Facebook page. Do I just want to grow my followers and get monetized on Facebook? That's also valid. Do I want to get sales? Do I want to drive people to my website? Do I want to take them to my WhatsApp? Do I just want to get more engagement? Define what your goals are for getting these followers. It will help you to create a strategy. Posting is not a strategy. A strategy is you defining why you post, how you post, what you post, and when you post it. For what purpose? Now, since your goal is to get more Facebook page followers, your strategy must include creating shareable and relatable content. Content that is shareable, content that people will see and they'll be wowed and they want to share it. Content that people can easily relate with. You need to be intentional about creating content that is relatable, creating content that will go viral. If you notice and look at the trend of content that go viral, you see that there's always an emotional touch to it. There's always a part of this content that touches people's emotions, that gets them to say, oh my God, I can relate with this. What kind of content is shareable? 1, stories. Stories are so powerful. This is why we are easy and quick to share skits, because what is happening in that skit is a story that most of us can actually relate with. So stories, tell stories, talk about what your day is like, talk about your experiences. See, one thing about Facebook marketing and even social media marketing in general is that if you're not able to open up your heart, if you're just creating content from the surface, people can feel it. So don't be shy. Be open to writing about stories, to telling stories about yourself or somebody's experience or what you saw. Everything that happens around us can actually create amazing content for you. So please start writing stories on Facebook and sharing. The next kind of content that is shareable is your customers' pain points. What are their pain points? What are things that touch them? What are things that they experience right now that they do not want to experience again? If you're able to create content around their pain points, it is going to get shareable. So for someone like me who is a marketing expert and helps online coaches and course creators to sell more of their courses, I know that one of their pain points is going through hell, creating courses and not seeing anybody to pay for it. So if I can touch this pain point and actually prick them where it hurts, I will have created a relatable content that will make them naturally want to share it. And the final thing I'm going to say on this point about creating shareable content and having a content strategy is that creating shareable content does not just end in creating the content and expecting people to share it just because it's a nice content that you just created. You have to be willing to ask for shares. You have to be willing to ask people to share your content. Give them a reason to share your content. So you can make a content, you can write a post, you can do a very nice video, and then in the comment section or under the post or below the caption, you say something like, if this video touched you, if you can relate to this video, if this video made sense to you, please click on the share button so that you can also impact other people on your timeline. So you ask for the share and you also give them a reason to share the post. This is going to encourage some people who did not want to share in the first place. You can also attach subtle emotional blackmail to it, and you can say something like, okay, this post actually means a lot to me today because it's my birthday, or it actually means a lot today because I'm having a downtime. But if you share this post, you'll be able to cheer me up today. You don't do this too often, but once in a while, you can also attach some emotional reasons to it, because human beings are emotional people. You can emotionally ask them to share your post. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that you attach your Facebook page link everywhere possible. If you have a YouTube channel, put it there. On Instagram bio, put it there. On your WhatsApp community, put the link there. On your WhatsApp status, put it there. On Telegram communities, anywhere, your website, put the link there, because that is where you want to grow. When you're intentional about growing a particular place, it should be obvious. Your energy should be channeled to it. So anywhere you have the opportunity, anywhere you're asked for your social media handles, send the link of your Facebook page, because that is the place you want to grow. So put it on your website, put it on your bio, put it anywhere that you can attach a link. This should be very simple for you to do. Just go to your profile, copy your link, and paste it everywhere possible. The third effective method for getting active Facebook followers is to offer incentives, right? I talked about it earlier that you can give them a reason to share. Another thing you can do, another reason you can give them to share is to offer a gift. This is what we commonly call giveaway. Occasionally, make sure it is occasionally. You don't want to build an audience solely based on giveaways. So occasionally, make sure there's a reason for it. Maybe it's your birthday, your anniversary, or something. Make sure there is a valid reason for it. You can offer something little in exchange for people helping your post go viral. I've seen somebody, Emeka Nobis, who gives people gifts for them sharing his pinned post on Facebook. I think at the end of the month, he gives a gift to the person who shared all his posts that month. So most people just want to get gifts from you, no matter how tiny the gift is, even if it's recharge card, if it's airtime, if it's data, if it's 1,000 naira, if it's $1, no matter how little it is, people would always appreciate it. I remember a time when I posted on my status, if 100 naira airtime is not too small for you, I have something for you. And I got over 50 responses. I was shocked. 100 naira is like the lowest amount of airtime, and I didn't know that anybody would be interested in that. But they came and they shared the post I wanted them to share. The post eventually went as viral as I wanted it to go, and I gave all of them 100 naira airtime. I didn't spend more than 5,000 naira in total. That's about $5 that I spent getting my post to go viral. Make sure that what they are doing in return for you is something that is valuable to your page. Don't say comment and get. No. You can even see celebrities how they do it. They tell you follow this page, share it, tag your friend before you can qualify. So do something like that that is valuable. Don't tell them to just like a post. Liking a post does not have any effect on your Facebook followers, but you can tell them to mention a friend in the comment section that needs to follow this page, follow the page, share this post so that more people can see it. So when they do those things, you can actually give them their reward. But make sure you give the reward that you promised to, so that you don't build a brand on dishonesty. The fourth thing you need to do is to join Facebook groups and communities. Yes, Facebook groups and communities are very powerful for helping you grow your Facebook page. I did a whole video on how you can use Facebook groups to grow your Facebook page and actually get more sales. You can check it up here in the description. Strategy number 5. Invite your friends to like your page. Most of you have up to 5,000 Facebook friends. These people can follow your Facebook page and get you more followers. All you have to do is click on the invite friends button, and you can click on send invite to everybody. Facebook will send a personalized invite to all your friends, asking them to follow the page. Now, here's the interesting part. You can have as many admins as possible on your Facebook page. These Facebook admins can also invite all their friends. So guess what? You might have your friend, a worker, a staff, add all of them as admins on your page and use their account to send an invite to all their friends. So let's say you have 10 admins and all these people, each of them have 5,000 friends each. That's about 50,000 people that you sent invites to. Let's say half of them accept the invite. You have gotten 25,000 Facebook page followers. Crazy, right? Yes, it works like magic. So invite your friends to follow your page. Point number 6 is go live. Yes, people want to feel a human touch to what you are doing. So even if it's a business page, try and attach some pictures, some human pictures to it. Go live. Show pictures of your face, pictures of yourself, videos of you on vacation, share relatable content like I said earlier. So go live once in a while, go live. These are things that will give a human touch to your content. Why? Because people follow people. People don't follow businesses. Oh, those things are boring, but they will follow a fellow human being. So share content that shows your face, things that show that you're a real human being, so that you can also attract other real humans. Strategy number 7. Check your insights. Always check your insights, which is why I would recommend that you switch to professional mode on Facebook if you're using your Facebook profile. But on your Facebook page, you can always see your insights with or without any professional mode. So switch to professional mode by simply going to your settings and clicking on switch to professional mode. You can also check your insights when you are on professional mode with 2 simple steps, right? All you have to do is click on your face, and then you're going to see something that asks you to check for your insights. When you go to your insights, you're going to check which posts are doing well, what kind of posts are people engaging with, which posts went viral. Now, this is going to help you know the kind of post or content that your audience are more interested in. So if you see that it's a video about yourself that people engaged with more, they were engaging with so many videos about yourself, you know that you need to keep doing videos about yourself. Why did I create this video? I noticed that the video I did about growing Facebook page followers had gone viral. People were really searching for it. And because I checked my insights, I decided that, okay, this is a topic that people are interested in. Let me do a more detailed tutorial and help them to actually get more current and innovative results. So I checked my always check your insights, always check what is trending. And that brings me to the final strategy I'm going to share with you. Take advantage of trends. This one will blow your page. This one will absolutely blow up your page. I'm serious. Take advantage of trends, because Facebook has an amazing search engine. When something is trending, or maybe I'm hearing people talk about something, I don't really understand what it's about. I just go to Facebook and type Moses Bliss. Who is this guy that everybody's talking about? Boom, and I see content that relate to Moses Bliss wedding, and I'm seeing people. So take advantage of trend. Don't be that person that is forming maturity. Everybody's talking about this thing. You're like, oh no, I didn't do that. I'm the only one that didn't talk about this. They should give you an award. No, you want to grow your page. So you're going to take advantage of trend. Why? Because at that moment where it is trending, there's lots of visibility, lots of search, and most people are actually searching on Facebook, because Instagram does not have that kind of amazing search engine. If you search for those kind of things on Instagram, you will not see anything. If I go to Instagram and search for Moses Bliss wedding, I'm going to see Moses Bliss page, only him. I'm not, or probably his fiance's page. I'm not going to see other people that created content about him. That's why people rush to Facebook, because Facebook will give them the gist, the real gist. So now, even if your content has nothing to do with gist or blogs, you can find a way to add trending topics into your content. I'm using Moses Bliss as an example because that's what is trending right now, right? Because as a marketer, I don't have any business talking about Moses Bliss and his fiance, but I can find a way to create content around it. Let's say I want to talk about how Moses Bliss built anticipation with his wedding video. I can start creating content around it and bring out the marketing aspect. What am I going to do? I'm going to use a lot of Moses Bliss wedding, Moses Bliss engagements in the post, SEO, because people are going to be searching Moses Bliss fiance, Moses Bliss wedding, Moses Bliss that, and they're going to see my content and also posting it at that time where it is trending. It's going to make the Facebook algorithm actually push it wide and far. So I'm just going to create the content and say, okay, look at what Moses Bliss did. When he first posted the picture, he only posted fingers. And then the next thing, he posted a video on YouTube and got us all curious to see the face. And that was how he took us to YouTube. Now, this is a strategy you can use. You can use a sneak peek strategy in your marketing. Just show us a little bit and then push us to your website where we get the full gist. Marketing tips using a trending topic. Now that's just me. You as a baker, you could talk about maybe the cake he's going to use for his wedding, ideas you have for the cake that Moses Bliss should use for his wedding. Meanwhile, in your post, you're typing Moses Bliss wedding, Moses Bliss fiancé. You know, Moses Bliss fiancé would really love a fancy green cake. I think because the style of her hair is black, she might really love black cakes. Why are you creating this content at the nick of that time? Because you are careful about taking advantage of trending topics. So, this is a secret that I'm sharing with you right now. Don't just go there and talk about what is trending. That's trying to fit it into your main message. What is trending right now? If you don't know what is trending right now, go to Twitter and search for trending topics. You will see things that are trending. Now, here's a bonus strategy. You can actually run Facebook engagement adverts. You can run Facebook ads to get followers. This one also gives you real and targeted followers that are active. It's actually the cheapest kind of Facebook ad ever. You just need to spend little money to get Facebook followers. If you want to learn how to do it, I did a video on step by step how you can set up your own Facebook engagement adverts that will bring you followers. All you have to do is check the description, somewhere up here and check for that video. It's very detailed. You're going to do it. You're going to be able to set up your own Facebook engagement ads, even if you are a beginner. That's it, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I really wish you could practice everything I taught here, and I want to see your Facebook page blow up. Check me out on Facebook, Favour Kemjii Okoro. Check me out on Instagram, Finance by Kemjii, and of course, leave a comment below. Just comment Facebook page followers. I'll reply and let you know that I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.